كيف حالكم جميعا؟
الحمد لله.
Your face big light ما شاء الله.
الحمد لله.
طيب، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
الحمد لله. طبعا ضيوفنا الكرام، أولا الله يحييكم وأهلا وسهلا بكم، ومثل ما قال الشيخ عبد الله جزاه الله خير، الجمعية منكم وإليكم، ودائما صدر الجمعية رحب للجميع. البرنامج اللي تشاهدونه الآن هو أكاديمية وبرامج مكثفة للمسلمين، دروس علمية ودروس شرعية. فنستأذنكم أولا ببداية هذا الحفل بآيات من القرآن الكريم، ثم نبدأ إن شاء الله بتكريم المسلمين. عاد الإنجليزي زيي يتحمل معي.
Alhamdulillah, we acknowledge the presence of our special guest, Sheikh Abdullah. Abdullah, today is Friday, Alhamdulillah. So this is what we call closing remarks to all the students. So we Muslim, whenever we have a gatherings or program, we started to recite an ayah from the Quran. Fastami'u lahu wa anshitu lalakum turhamun. Allah said, and when the Quran is recited, listen to it and be silent so that you may receive mercy. Now, may we call our brother Nisam Amiron. Welcome.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبح اسم ربك الأعلى الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى والذي أخرج المرعى فجعله غثاء أحوى سنقرئك فلا تنسى إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى ونيسرك لليسرى فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى صحف إبراهيم وموسى.
MashaAllah, Tabarakallah. Jazakallah khair, brother Nisam Amiron. And now we will proceed to one of our brother. He will share on how he became Muslim. So, will we call brother Abdullah? Chito, Akaseo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, rabbil alamin, wassalatu wassalam ala nabiyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. I want to start my story when how I became a Muslim. It started when someone invited me to Islam. But at first, like, I was hesitant and I'm not really that interested yet. So I went to an Islamic center and they were asking me about my religion. So at first, like, I was like discouraged by the way that how they questioned the religion I was before. I was I was a Roman Catholic before I became a Muslim, before I embraced Islam. I I got interested in Islam when I read the Bible, and I noticed that Jesus Christ in the Bible fasted for 40 days, but I never experienced it in my life. So when I went to Saudi Arabia, I saw the people they were fasting. They were really fasting. They abstain themselves from eating food and drinking water, and still that they are doing their prayers, and they are they have this patience in them. So I noticed that with my colleagues, with my boss, and I got interested how it is done. Then the first year before, a few years before I became I embraced Islam, I tried to do the fasting. At first, I tried it one day. So I was wondering if I will be collapsing, I am not eating, I'm not drinking. So I tried that for the first day. Alhamdulillah, I was able to do it and break the fast, though I'm not yet a Muslim. The following year, I tried it I think 3 days, and I was able to do the fasting, and the following year, the third year, I did it for 7 days. So Alhamdulillah, I was able to, I can do it. I can, if I embrace Islam, I can do the fasting. And then also I saw with my boss that he's praying every day. I've learned that in Islam, it has to be that you have to pray 5 times a day. In Christians, we are praying every time, but not the proper. I don't see it the proper way. So some just pray while they are sitting, and there is just once a week that you have to attend the congregation. But so I differentiated between Islam and my religion before. So how I will do it, it's 5 times a day. So I have to pray every day and 5 times. If I was a Christian, it's just once a week, but sometimes I still feel lazy. So really it's a discipline. So I put those all in my mind. Then I tried comparison between my religion and Islam, and I tried to. I was reading the Bible, so I've read a lot of stories, and actually I did not see that Jesus Christ said about himself that he was God, he was the Son of God. I don't remember anything like that. So I'm really questioning. And I wonder why they are teaching there is only one God, but there are 3 persons in one God in the Christian. So it's like the Trinity. Then I'm really confused. So I tried to read the Quran. I asked someone to give me a copy of the Quran, but in English translation. So I was able to read the whole Quran, the whole of it. And after I read it, I really understood that there was nothing wrong from the Islam, from the teachings of the Quran. So the 4th year, I'm really I'm confused. I don't know if I want to become a Muslim, but I was playing bowling at that time, and I did not eat for breakfast. I was it's near lunch, and like I'm thinking if I should eat or not because it's Ramadan. That's the first day of Ramadan. That is July 20, 2012. But then I thought like I want to become a Muslim. I want to continue my fasting. I want to start this Ramadan as a Muslim because my friend told me that I will not get the reward if I don't become a Muslim. It's just for the body, not for spiritual. So that day, I went back. I didn't continue the bowling. I went back to my compound and I asked my friend to bring me to the mosque, to the masjid, so that I want to embrace Islam. I want to continue the fasting, and I want to complete the whole fasting for the whole Ramadan. So, Alhamdulillah, I was able to do the Shahada at that time. And Alhamdulillah, I embrace Islam, and I am grateful that I've learned a lot, and I did not regret. And I've learned a lot that this is the true religion, and this is like really a discipline. And Alhamdulillah, I was like guided, and I'm continuing my learning so that if ever people would ask me, I know how to answer them, and I never regret that I entered Islam. Alhamdulillah.
جزاك الله خير. طيب من الأخبار السعيدة بفضل الله عز وجل اليوم معنا 2 من الإخوان يشهروا إسلامهم. الحمد لله. نتفضل نبغى ضيوفنا اليوم هم اللي ينطقون بالشهادة. يستاهلوا. طيب. النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول لأن يهدي الله بك رجلا واحدا خير لك من حمر النعم. تفضل على المسرح. يطلع الأول مع الشيخ فيصل. تفضل الشيخ إبراهيم. فين الشيخ حسن؟
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله وأن عيسى رسول الله.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله وأشهد أن عيسى رسول
طيب مشايخنا الغاليين أعضاء مجلس الإدارة نبغاكم عندنا دورة وكل ما يتخرج منها دفعة نكرمهم. طبعا أنا حبيت أتفلسف لكن طلعت أسمائهم مكتوبة بالإنجليزي. يتفضل الشيخ حسن نناديهم واحد.
Okay, let's call our student. As I call you, please proceed to the. Okay. Listen daw natin. Abdullah Arceo. Brother Abdullah Arceo.
Akbar. Akbar.
Joriel Abdurrahman Argeles. Ahmad Makabuhay. Okay. Okay. Sunod naman po natin si Brother, ayan, Elisar, ay the next, Alexander Jesus Ali Dakanay. Susunod naman po natin si Brother Elisar Nisar Chero. At siyempre, susunod naman po natin si Brother Marpritz Mikael Echeverry.
Allah Akbar.
Okay, next, si Brother Gerald Hamza Castrens. Gerald Hamza Castrens. Pasok. At isusunod naman po natin si Brother Tokayo Alan Amir Berdero. Ayan. Para sa ano lang, Kanadiya lang. Okay. Sunod naman po natin si Brother Rick Lataw-Taw Ismail Ragorton. At siyempre, susunod naman po natin si Brother Richard Rashid Sulaiman Olante. Siyempre, susunod naman po natin ang batang-bata na press na press, si Raymond Ryan Takan. Susunod naman po natin si Brother Jipian Yusuf Yesira Kasinggan. Okay, next, si Brother Christopher Ryan Bernard. Next, si Brother Leoncio Noridin Pinera. Ayan, kita mo sa matos, kumikita pa. Nag-inig. Sunod naman po natin si Mark Ingris Joel Yusuf Taja.
Allah Akbar.
At isusunod naman po natin, ayan, hindi makapaniwala, si Toto Jonel Faisal Bale. Ayan, si Toto. Okay, next, si Brother Juanis Rubino Sagun Rapid Balada. Okay, susunod naman po natin si Brother Abdullah Dupusi.
Abdullah.
siyempre, susunod naman po natin ang Press the Press, galing ng bakasyon, simula Davao, si Don Linton Fawaz Morales Laguna. Press the Press, galing ng bakasyon. Ayan. Yung mga galaw yan. Okay. Isusunod naman po natin ang ating alkali, tagapagturo ng Quran, si Brother Khalid Espinosa. Okay, isusunod lang po natin pinakabata noon. Ngayon nagkaroon na ng asawa at nagkanak na si Bunso Ruben Mohamed Pantas. Ngayon hanggang sa nagkanak na. Proud na proud si Daddy Walid. Ayan. Ayan si Bunso. Okay. Last pagtatanis sa'yo, nakahabol pa. Alhamdulillah. Ang galing pa ng ayan, si Brother Wilson Wasim Pagaran. Ayan. Wasim. Ayan, pasok.
ابشر. طيب الشيخ ابراهيم ما يرد. الله يعطيكم العافيه، بيض الله وجهكم. استريحوا. تفضل شيخ ابراهيم.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اسمي إبراهيم. I'm not speaking English very well, but I will try, okay? I will try Arabic, not English. Okay? طيب الحمد لله صلى الله عليه وسلم محمد. No, I don't like take video and picture, please, okay? Okay. الحمد لله صلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. الحمد لله القائل وأن هذه أمتكم أمة كومبليت واحدة. تعرف عربي ولا معي؟ هدى ترانزليشن. وأن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون. All of the Muslims in the world in one God, alhamdulillah. All the Muslims in the world say Allah. You know, in the Hajj, or the Muslim lips بالإنجليزي clothes, the white clothes, all the